In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet tab from one Google Sheets file into an existing spreadsheet. To get started, open the Google Sheet that contains the tab you want to move or duplicate, and make sure you're using Google Chrome. This helps ensure the menu options appear exactly where expected and that the process works smoothly without any browser-related differences. Once the spreadsheet is open, look down at the bottom of the screen where all of your sheet tabs are displayed. These tabs represent the individual pages inside the spreadsheet. Find the specific tab you want to copy into another file. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if your spreadsheet contains several similarly named tabs. When you found the right tab, right-click directly on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to that sheet. In that menu, hover over or click on Copy To, and then choose Existing Spreadsheet. This option is used when you want to place the selected sheet into a Google Sheets file that already exists rather than creating a brand new file. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose the destination spreadsheet. At this stage, you can either search for the spreadsheet by name or paste the URL of the file you want to copy the sheet into. If you already have the destination file open or saved somewhere handy, pasting the URL is usually the fastest and most accurate option. If you're searching by name, just make sure you select the correct spreadsheet, especially if there are multiple files with similar titles in your Google Drive. After selecting the destination file, click Insert. Google Sheets will then copy that tab into the chosen spreadsheet. Depending on the size of the sheet and your internet speed, this may happen almost instantly or take a few seconds. Once it's done, the copied sheet will appear in the destination spreadsheet as a separate tab, preserving the content and layout from the original. That's all there is to it. This is a quick and reliable way to transfer a worksheet between files without needing to manually copy and paste data. If you're organizing reports, combining team documents, or reusing templates, this feature can save a lot of time and help keep your formatting intact.